Hey, welcome guys! In this video we are going to learn about encapsulation. It may sound a bit scary, but trust me, it's gonna be easy. Encapsulation is an object-oriented programming concept that binds together the data and functions that manipulate the data and that keeps both safe from outside interference and misuse blah blah blah. I'm just reading out the slide, but trust me, it's quite simple definition. It says something like encapsulation is a procedure to show and hide any data inside the namespace of your program. So it's a way actually how you access the data inside your program. So access modifiers. Encapsulation is implemented by access modifiers. As I said, it's a way how you access your data. So to control this access, there are access modifiers. So encapsulation is implemented by using access modifiers. Access modifiers are keywords in object-oriented languages that set the accessibility of classes, methods, and other members. Don't worry about this definition. Most of the programming languages have at least 3 access modifiers. They are public, private, and protected. So we are going to learn about this now, these 3 access modifiers. Data can be accessed from all the classes inside the same namespace. So you're having like a namespace. Inside the namespace you're having like 5 classes A, B, C, D, E, and you're having a data which is our integer variable inside a class A. Just try to visualize it. You're having a data inside the class A, and you can actually access this class A data from all the classes inside the same space if the data is public. Okay, so the private data can only be accessed from the class where it is declared. So you're having a private data inside class A. You can't actually access it from any other classes from the same namespace, but you can only access from the namespace class from where the private data is declared. So protected data can be accessed from the classes where it is declared and accessed from the subclasses of it as well. So you're declared a data in class A, and you can actually access it from class A itself, and you can also access it from the subclasses which you actually derived from the class A, and you can access them into the subclasses as well. Alright, so this is something like a brief definition, but we will see something into the program how it is done. If we go to the Visual Studio Code, so we are going to actually see the example with C#. So I have actually declared 2 classes here, class A and class B, and inside the class B we have actually declared our main function. So what we are gonna do is, first we are gonna take 3 variable which is public A 10. I hope that you guys know how to initialize the variable. I'm gonna take it private integer B equals 20 and protected integer C equals to 30. So over here inside we have 2 classes, and inside class A we have declared 3 variables, so which is public, private, and protected. I hope that you guys already know about programming, at least the basic programming, to understand all of these concepts. If you don't know, please go back and check out whatever you're learning. So this is just for actually clearing up the concept of encapsulation, not to teach you programming. Okay, so this public class, the public data which is integer A, I can actually access it from the class B. So to do this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say class A. I'm gonna say AB equals, first I will create the instance of class A, and I will say AB dot A, and I have to do it inside the console write line. Okay, it should be AB. So this is the public integer data, and we have actually created an instance of class A, and we are accessing the data A inside this console write line function. So this is supposed to print out this value. Let's run and see what happens. I will debug it, start without debugging, and you can see that the value 10 is printed out. But here is the thing. For the private variable, if we try to access from here now, ab.b, let's run the program, start without debugging. You can see that there is something saying there were build errors. Would you like to continue run the okay, blah blah blah, and we will see what kind of error is showing. So you can see that class A.b is inaccessible due to its protection level. Since we have actually declared this data private, it can only be accessed from this class. So from this class, we can't access this private data. So it's quite simple for the private access modifiers. So right now, we are going to actually try to access this one, which is C. If we try now, we'll see something strange happen. And if we run now, you will see that the same error. And if you go and see that class A.c is inaccessible due to its protection level, since it is it's a protected thing, so which can only be accessed from the subclasses. How do we declare subclasses of a base class? So if we think class A is a base class and class B is the subclasses of class A, then we will simply say class A colon class B colon class A. So right now the class B is treated as a subclass of class A, which is this one. So if we try to run now, actually it will show an error here because we can't just directly access through like this. We have to just first, I will delete this all and I will say class A, oh no, sorry, class B. We will just create an instance of this class B. So I will say AB equals new class B. So we have created an instance of class B, and right now we can actually directly access console.writeLine, and we can actually directly access now class ab.c. So if we run now, start without debugging, you can see that it's printing out 30. So this subclass is allowing us to get the value, the protected value of the base class. If we remove this now, you can see that it will show an error to us. Okay, so I hope that this clears up the concept of public, private, and protected data, which is some kind of like part of encapsulation. I hope that you guys understand. You guys understand it. If you don't understand, comment in the comment section. Also get the slides into the description. See you into the next tutorial.